Hello, I wanted to put together a tutorial for the Illini Central app that we've been promoting since late in the school year. When we decided to go the route of this new website and app, we were just sure that it was going to give us an opportunity to do a better job of keeping you informed of what's going on. So I want to show you a couple of things as we head into the back to school time of the summer and we start posting more and more things on the website and on the app that you need to know as we head into the 1920 school year. So let's go ahead and get into the app now. Hopefully you've already downloaded it. Once in there, I want to help you be able to find documents that we're posting. For instance, the grade school supply list. So if I swipe to the left, it gives me the opportunity to choose what building I'm in. Let's say I have a grade school student. I hit grade school. It takes me to something called the live feed, which is full of notifications of things to come, things coming up or going on. Obviously, you can see the grade school supply list right there in the middle. You also see the open house date that they're at the top. The best way to find or access the grade school supply list is to swipe to the right and then choose where it says documents. This is where we're going to post a lot of important things. You see the grade school biographies of our staff members is there, the handbooks on the bottom of that list. I'm going to click on the back to school folder, and there you'll find the PDF of the grade school supply lists. If I click on it, it gives me, or touch it on my phone, it gives me three options. I can open it. If I'm in the store shopping right now and I want to see what my second grader needs, I can zoom in and there it is. This is also found on the website where you can print it out if you need a paper copy to take with you. But that's the way you can see it quickly and in the moment on your phone. You also have the option there of emailing it to yourself or to someone else, family member, or you also have another way of sharing it with family, friends, whoever, whether you're texting it, whether you're posting it on Facebook yourself, and so on. So that's how you can access supply lists. Let's say you want to access, you got a middle school kid too. So I click middle school, same way. Here's their things. There's the list for the middle school. I hit open. I can go to the seventh grade. Now I know what my seventh grader needs. So if you're going to look for any document within the school app, this is where you would look. You hit documents within whatever building you're in. Same way, high school, I'm looking for documents. There are the documents that we have and so on. The next thing I wanted to show you is this. If I'm looking for specific events, I want to know what night something is taking place or what day and the times. I can go to the events. I'm in the high school, as you can see right there, and these are the two events we have coming up in August, at least as of right now, that we have on the calendar. This goes for the others too. If I go to middle school, what middle school events? I go to grade school, what grade school events, and so on. Pre-K. The nice thing about this that we really like is it gives you the opportunity as a parent, if you use the calendar on your phone, and I want to add this first event, the developmental screening, to my calendar, all I have to do is hit that black circle in the middle that has a calendar in it. My phone then gives me the option to add that to my calendar. If I hit add, now I have the opportunity to go to my calendar on my phone. I can hit the month of August or scroll to it, and I look to see what I have going on. And sorry, it's in July actually, and I hit the 30th, and there is that event. I know what time it is, I know what day it is. So I've already added some other things here. On the 14th is sixth grade orientation. I know on my calendar then what day that's taking place. If I swipe and look at the middle school, there's that sixth grade orientation. I added it. Let's say I want to add high school, middle school registration to there. Hit that black circle with the calendar page on it, hit add, and now on my calendar on August 7th, there should be an event, and there it is. So hopefully this is going to help you out. Now you'll know how to use the events portion of your app. Gives you the ability to look and see what you've got going on. and you also know how to look for documents within the app as well. So hopefully this helps. Hope you enjoy the rest of your summer. Thanks.